So the most important thing to me is going to be the height of this bench. I want to be able to sit on this chair and be able to put my knees underneath. So I've got this temporary brace right here, and I've got my line right here, and I'm just kind of testing this to see if this is going to work for my height right here. So I am going 4 inches over the top of the recommended height with 39.5. It'll be 40 by the time I'm done. But I want to be able to stick my knees under here, and I'm 6 feet tall, and I don't want to bend over a lot because I will likely put a sink right here, and I hate bending down into the sink to do stuff. Cut this at 1/18 and 1/2. So now that I've got my ledger board up here, I'm just going to pre-drill these holes. So these are 3.5 inch screws, and this is 1.5 inches, and this is 5/8 inch drywall. So these things are gonna bite into the stud that much. So that's a good 1.5 inches, so I feel okay with that. So now all I need to do is just make sure I can get this 2x4 right on that red line. So now with my ledger board installed, now I need to put one on the back side of this stud and the back side of this stud. Temporary brace, now I can toenail these in there without trying to fight them trying to move back and forth. It's going to make it one heck of a lot easier. So with this brace on here, I can just drill these through here. If you've ever tried to toenail something, it's not the easiest thing with a screw or with a hand drive nail. There. Okay, so now that I've got this sheet ripped down to 24 inches, I'm gonna put it in here. Just like that. Ooh, it's already looking awesome. So I'll probably put some CDX plywood on there, or something a little bit smoother, maybe some MDF or something like that, or some of that laminated, or some stainless or something I'd like to get on there so I can have it just nice and smooth. So here it is, guys. This is gonna be sweet. I've got my little bench right here, or my little chair. I can sit here, I can work on my stuff. I'll be able to put a light here, and I'm really kind of stoked with how this thing turned out. I just need to get one of those LED ballasts or something right here. I think the last thing I'll do is put some sort of a top on here, like either a laminate, a countertop, or maybe like some kind of stainless or some kind of smooth metal or something like that. Something that I can easily wipe, and something that I can easily clean, and something that'll be smooth. This is kind of rough here. This is kind of the only material that I had laying around, and it's good for now. But so that is it, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, I got lots more videos with that machine over there, that triplex. I've got a ton of crap left to do on it. I've torn apart one whole cutting unit. All the bearings are bad. There's rust everywhere, and it is in dire need of some repair. So I've got some parts ordered, and I'm going to kind of continue on with that. It's turned out pretty good. I'm really happy with it. So anyways, thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.